the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon, and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already, and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Nice and lovely guy. Welcome back today again. We're gonna make you some Christmas biscuit. Alright. First of all, I have one medium-sized egg which I start to beat it, slightly beat it. Now what I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna add some vanilla essence inside of it. Just roughly a pinch of vanilla essence. Nice one. And I'm gonna simply beat it together like this. Nice one. Put that at the side. And simple, get 10 ounces of plain flour. And the plain flour, guys, must sieve. Lovely and nice. I might just put a little pinch more. Ten ounces of plain flour, and I'm gonna sieve it. All right. So I just finished sieve it, and that's it, guys, right here. 3.5 ounces of sugar, granulated sugar, and also 3.5 ounces of unsalted butter. And 1 egg which we just beat it, we're gonna just add it to it. And simple, give it a little mix like this, guys. So remember, 10 ounces of flour must sieve, 3.5 ounces of sugar, and 3.5 ounces of unsalted butter, 1 medium-sized egg, and a pinch of vanilla essence. Beat the egg and the essence together. Put everything together inside of the bowl and simple crumble it like this. After you crumble it, simple use a hand and the simple come like together. Make sure your surface is clean. Now we're gonna roll out some biscuit dough. Alright? Sprinkle a little bit of flour on the surface like this. Get your dough just like this. Little bit on the rolling pin. Take a look at time and simple. Roll it out like this. Sometimes you can put it in the fridge for an hour, but I just want you guys to see exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about with the dough. Alright? As you can see, put a little bit more flour. Nice one. Then get your the star cutter. This one is a little bit big, but I'm really sorry about that. As you guys can see exactly where we are about. It's Christmas. Then you can simply do. This is my tray for my biscuit. Then, all right. A little bit of flour in the pan. And simple place the stars on the inside of it like this. It's Christmas. So as you can see, I start to lay them in. That's why you have to have flour on the surface, guys. And you don't want them to stick and not moving. Alright? Just like this. So we're gonna do some more. Very easy and simple recipe. A little bit more flour. A little bit more flour. Preheat your oven first. Just take a little time. You don't need to rush it and don't do them right. This one, it's another star, looking lovely and nice. So as you can see, right there. Now I have no more room, so we're gonna leave those one, and we're gonna make some different cookie with these one. Now we're gonna put them in the oven. Preheat your oven, gas mark 5 for 12 minutes inside of your oven. Gas mark 5 for 12 minutes. Christmas star biscuit. Alright, enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. I just finished take out the star biscuit them from the oven, and this is the way they look, guys. But you know, you can, when you make the dough, you can put it in the fridge for an hour, 2 hours. But I just roll it out and to show you exactly what's gonna go on. So as you can see, I just finished it, and basically what I'm gonna do now is just simple. Put a little icing sugar on top of it like this. Just a little bit of icing sugar. If you want to mix up some icing sugar and water, and you can put it also over it. But basically, this is just a little tips and idea what you can do for your Christmas. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. So guys, hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We've got a lot more recipe coming out for you. And this is just an idea and tips what you can do for Christmas. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. I just put some glass cherry on top of it for decoration. So enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.